Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, hard disk drive media storage, climate control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.